So we're in Clovis, California, and we just finished installing multiple items here. One, we've got a faucet the homeowner provided. It's Samoan. We gave her the documentation. It's the Adler, and she's got the little tag in the documentation. We'll hold on to that for warranty purposes. One thing we did note is the sink is collapsed in the middle, the center. So we went ahead and put some shims in there, some stainless steel little washers, slid them in there to hold the plastic flange in place. That's the spacer that's supposed to seal it to the counter, and then we went ahead and just put silicone all the way around, or at least all the way around to the side and this side, and then of course let them know, just try and keep water off the top of here. The grout line's broken and there's lots of holes in the sink, so just try and keep water off the top. Over there we put a sinkhole cover in, so that's good. It's all puttied in. Down here was the extensive work. They had a mishmash of different plumbing products in here, and leaking going on. She just wanted to make sure that temporarily things could be functional in here until they get ready for this pretty extensive remodel they're going to do. So what we've done is pulled back there was iron pipe, there was black pipe, there was nipples in there, things were the corrosion. We got copper stubbed out of the wall, which is great. So what we did is we took 2 quarter-turn shutoff valves, compression, one over on the hot side, one on the cold side, and just took all that old stuff out, put new stops on. Additionally, as you can see on the hot side, we've got one of the brass compression tees that make an adaptation from the sink faucet, which that's the hot side right there, comes down and ties in the braided side, which is part of the faucet, and then also ties in the copper tubing that 3/8 goes underneath over the dishwasher. So that is a quick little adapter, ties that in. And of course, these are the quarter turn on off, and we've showed homeowner how to use these. So quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Same thing when your appliance guy comes hook up the refrigerator on the cold side. We had the same thing, a different T. So same shutoff valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then that valve is actually 3/8 by 3/8 by quarter. Reason being, we got 1/4 inch copper tubing coming through the floor that goes underneath the refrigerator. So same design, but just a different port, a different outlet, 1/4 inch instead of the 3/8. Additionally, we went ahead and took out the old trap and piping that came back from the wall. Already had an adapter on, so we put an extension on there, a tubular extension, just a shorty little piece right there, and then a tubular P-trap, another little extension right here. This came out of a telescoping garbage disposal kit, which we had. Nice little sink tee to get you over to the other basket strainer. So no garbage disposal in here, just simply 2 basket strainers, which is great. Brand new tailpiece, brand new brass nut. Existing basket strainer, we didn't touch that, that's not ours. Existing basket strainer, not ours. This chrome Y outlet tailpiece for the garbage disposal, not ours. Didn't tie the garbage disposal in, so that's existing. But you can see all the tubular piping, the white piping here, all that's ours. It's all tied back in. Everything's looking good. We have run water down it, and we don't see any dripping down here. Monitor it, like with everything else. You know, I know you're going to remodel, but just keep an eye on this stuff here. If anything starts to develop, let us know. We'll come out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.